What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tawag Fun Action Dogs P official. And today we're gonna talk about a Unison YouTube Kids channel called Emo Mia. And now, Emo Mia's YouTube channel is now terminated. This offensive video made people angry, and I did not get this today. It was shot on August 6th. January 3, 2026. COPPA, or the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, forces YouTube to terminate Emo Mia's YouTube channel. And not gonna lie, Emo Mia's YouTube channel has been terminated after a obnoxious and offensive video. The reason why they did it, it's because of its bad and filthy things, like doing this in a flirty way. But that doesn't escape when they created a 7-hour, 40 minutes and 41 seconds with a Filipino vlogger. And now people are now angry, and now they force this Canadian guy. No hate.
Today I need my day job about as much as I need a comb. Joke, I don't wanna go to work, so I'm not going to work.
After it got terminated, they created an apology video. Here's the apology video. Emo Me. It's Emo Me, and we are so sorry because we created an obnoxious and offensive video. And now they know the truth. Now, when I just searched this now on YouTube, it's not some iPad kid videos. So exactly why I hated YouTube is because it created this junk. And now this is what Emo Me's feelings are now like. Wah! Actually, I remember this part in my Natalia Reynos diss track.
Yeah, you're right. Stop doing it. Stop doing that. You're right. Stop doing it. Stop doing that. You're an iPod. You're an old kid who's here everything. Bro, stop doing that.